This video captures a tense courtroom hearing as 28-year-old Mr. Beck stands before Judge Hayward for his second probation violation. From the start, the judge focuses on his lack of progress over the past 11 months, pointing out unpaid fees, incomplete community service, and missed counseling and AA meetings. As Mr. Beck tries to explain himself, he blames unemployment and personal struggles, but the judge firmly rejects these excuses. The tone becomes stricter as the judge emphasizes that he is responsible for his own actions and should have made more effort to comply with court orders. The situation intensifies when his failed alcohol screening is discussed. Mr. Beck claims it was caused by cold medicine, but the judge is not convinced and views it as another excuse. With patience clearly running out, the judge delivers a strong decision. In the end, 120 days of his probation are revoked, along with a clear warning that any further violations will lead to even more serious consequences.
For them. So,
Mr. Beck, you obviously don't know about the legal hustle. Mr. Beck, do you know I can sew? I can braid. I can lay concrete if I have to. I can do lawn work. I have driven a backhoe. I have driven a dump truck. I have graded a road using said backhoe. All of this is self-taught. I have put shingles on a roof. All of this. And I'm not no big girl. I'm like 5'2". So I have learned all of these things. If I can figure out how to, I put a gas line in a hedge trimmer one time because I needed a new gas line to make the hedge trimmer work. I figured it out. So Mr. Beck, if I can figure out how to do all of these things, and I got a law degree, you can figure out how to do some jobs. You can do some jobs. You don't have to get a job where somebody's hiring you. They need people to do all kinds of stuff. There's people doing roofing work, plumbing work. Even if you don't know how to do it, they need somebody to haul away scrap. Okay, can I come by and pick up the scrap and move that out of the way for you? There's things you can do. Mr. Beck, a little ingenuity. I'm going to need folk in your age group to stop acting like y'all are helpless. Y'all been babied. Y'all have been babied. I'm going to just tell you, I'm from that old school, the one where your mamas ain't doing for you. They going to push you out of the nest and make you figure out how to do stuff. Find something. All these jobs you're looking for, okay, then figure out how to earn $1. Offer to do some work for somebody. Yo, man, can I help you pick up this concrete or lay concrete or pick up this plywood or clean up this work site so I can make $1? I'm just tired of y'all 20-somethings coming before me and y'all just don't do nothing. And then in all of this, knowing what you have, then you decide.
Taking simple medicine, and that's really what it is.
No, sir. No. I'm not buying the medicine, the NyQuil. I'm not.
All right. That's the only excuse I have because I really don't even drink like that. As he was just trying to figure out as to why I have to take DUI classes with no record of me doing any alcohol or drugs.
Okay. I see Mr. Lynch has given you an idea about how to talk to me about your case. Okay. Even if we skip the DUI program, you ain't done nothing else.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I would just point out that he was given a 24-month sentence. So he has a whole nother year in which he can prove to this.
No. So, Mr. Lynch, this is the thing that I don't like people saying. Okay, I'm gonna waste the whole first year. So I got the second year to do right. No. If you wanted to show me that you want to be done, then do it all in the first year. And then the second year, I say, hey, we don't need to do this the second year because he did everything. He showed me that he really wanted to be off probation. He showed me that that this had an effect on him. So no, I'm not doing, I'm going to tell you, will you say 100 people who play me the first time and then come back and tell me about all the children they supporting? If he wasn't able to support himself and do anything, he ain't supporting them kids. Their grandparents are. Whoever the mama is living with her mama and they supporting these kids. Where your kids living, Mr. Beck?
They live with my baby mother, and they have their own apartment. She has their own place.
And she's probably on assisted living if she's not working and sufficiently to support them. But you're not supporting them. So I'm this whole thing of, well, I'm supporting my kids and oh please.
He's not claiming to be the sole provider.
No, I hope the Lord he's not. I mean, I did put him under oath at the beginning of this.
Right.
Mr. Beck, I'm gonna teach you that you don't need to be trifling anymore. I just really, you're gonna need to start standing up and being a man. That 120 days is sounding real good. Yeah, let's get this 120 days, and then after that, we'll suspend. As long as there's no violations, we'll suspend the remainder of the term. But that means that if you mess up, then you'll come back to me, and I still have 12 months or whatever left to play with. So yeah.
As the hearing comes to an end, the judge delivers a firm and unmistakable message that resonates throughout the courtroom. The decision to revoke 120 days of Mr. Beck's probation is not just a punishment, it's a clear consequence of repeated failures to take responsibility. The atmosphere turns heavy as the reality of the situation sets in, marking a serious turning point in his case. Mr. Beck is left to face the outcome of his actions, with the judge making it clear that patience has limits. Any further violations, no matter how small, could result in even harsher penalties, including more jail time. The warning is direct and leaves no room for excuses moving forward. Ultimately, this moment highlights a powerful lesson about accountability and personal responsibility. The court has given multiple chances, but without effort and change, those chances run out. It serves as a reminder that actions always have consequences. And the longer they are ignored, the more severe those consequences become.